Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to share a game-changing tutorial on how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to automate chats, get instant help or just play around with AI. This video will guide you step by step through the process. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model designed to understand and generate human like text based on the input it receives. And WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps globally with billions of active users. Integrating ChatGPT can enhance your WhatsApp experience by providing automated responses, heading inquiries, or even managing personal reminders. Now let's get to the exciting part, setting up ChatGPT on WhatsApp. You need a few things to get started. A cloud server like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. A programming environment setup, preferably Python. A Twilio account for WhatsApp API access, basic coding knowledge, or the willingness to learn. Step 1 is setting up your server. First, you need to have a cloud server ready. This server will host our ChatGPT instance. Step 2 is to install ChatGPT. Use Python to install and run ChatGPT. Now you can register with Twilio and get WhatsApp API access. Twilio is a service that allows apps to send and receive messages on WhatsApp. Integrating ChatGPT with the WhatsApp API. You'll write a script that connects the ChatGPT model to WhatsApp through Twilio. Now testing is set up. Test sending and receiving messages between ChatGPT and WhatsApp. With ChatGPT integrated into WhatsApp, the sky is the limit. From automated customer service to daily fun facts, you can program ChatGPT to do it all. And that's a wrap on how to get ChatGPT up and running on WhatsApp.